Donald Trump is going to visit the Federal Reserve. And we already knew that Jerome Powell has spent $2.5 billion renovating the Federal Reserve building. You have a private concierge, private lift, private bar, don't know, everything is private. He just have to show one gold tap. That's the end of Jerome Powell tonight. How many of you understand what I'm talking about? And why am I talking about this? Because anything could happen today. We are still in an abnormal market. So first condition, we have a very, very abnormal market. Anything goes. The second reason why we are still not back in a normal market, second reason, one keyword. The second reason is tariff. We are officially not over yet until 1st of August.
Hi, you have completed watching snippets of our cozy live trading videos. These videos are taught during a live trading class whereby we invest directly into the market. Right now, I'm going to personally invite you to join our upcoming Spiking Wealth Masterclass. This is a flagship 4-day program, absolutely free for you, and you will learn exactly how to define your starting line as well as your finishing line, and what it takes for you to cross the finishing line to achieve your financial freedom. I'm really excited to join you in this class together. And all you need to do right now, go right below there and sign up and complete the pre-class checklist. I shall see you in the class. Thank you and God bless you. Goodbye.